Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the humidifier on a stable surface, roughly 12 to 18 inches from walls and electronics. Once placed, make sure to use distilled or filtered water to reduce mineral buildup and white dust. You then power the unit off and remove the tank to inspect seals and the fill cap. If anything looks worn, replace the gasket before proceeding. Begin filling slowly to the indicated max line so you don't spill into electronics. Once the tank is filled and sealed, align it with the base and press down until you hear or feel the lock. An improper seat causes leaks. Next, plug in and select the mist output timer and any night or ion modes based on room size. Higher mist for larger rooms, lower for bedrooms. Make sure to clean the ultrasonic disc and water chamber weekly using a 1-to-1 vinegar and water soak to remove mineral deposits that reduce performance. You run the humidifier for 1 to 8 hours and monitor humidity with a hygrometer, aiming for about 40 to 50% to prevent mold growth. Make sure to empty and refill the tank daily if used continuously, and perform a deep clean every 1 to 2 weeks. If you see no mist, check the water level first, then inspect the ultrasonic disc for scale, and finally confirm power or reset the unit. Replacing the filter or gasket often resolves leaks and weak output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.